Landing line, that's it. That's all you need. Secret weapon. Hi, I'm Amanda Haig. I'm the digital marketing specialist for Yancey Brothers. If you want to be successful in the digital space, you have to build landing pages. Landing Lion makes it so easy for me to create landing pages, and I have to create so many. And I can create page after page after page in a day. And it's easy and it's fun, and it's helping us succeed in what we need to do. And now it's my pleasure to introduce Alan Pledger, the CEO and co-founder of Landing Lion.
So that was Amanda, and her job is to sell construction equipment and services online. But the problem is that it takes her $3,000 and 2 weeks per page that she wants to create. And that can add up really fast. But what that doesn't even consider is the number of missed opportunities, because she's constantly blocked from pursuing her ideas. And that problem isn't unique to Amanda. This is a problem that business owners and marketers face every single day. Every single business wrestles with the exact same questions. How do we get to market faster? How can people find us and engage with our brand? And how can we track what's working? Well, these are the problems that Landing Line is solving, but instead of trying to describe it to you guys, I'd rather just show you. So behind me, our creative director, Andrew, is going to build a page right here in front of you live. And while he's doing this, I'm going to point out a few things that you'll notice that are unique to Landing Line and Landing Line alone. The first thing that you'll notice is how visual this is. Every single first-generation content management system separates content from the template. Well, this is wrong, because content, layout, and design work together to tell a story. So that's why in our editor, you manage content in line with the layout designer. The next thing you'll notice is how fast and easy this is. We focused on creating a user experience that allows pixel-perfect designers like Andrew here full control over every detail, while remaining simple enough for a beginner to easily edit, duplicate, or sort content. But there's also a lot that you guys don't see. What you don't see is how we've automatically optimized this page for mobile, search rank, and quality score. And what you also don't see is how the touch of a button, you can instantly launch a production-ready page. Hey, Andrew, can we show them what that means? Can you deploy that page, install an SSL certificate, conversion tracking, visitor tracking, an A/B testing framework, and update the sitemap? And just like that, this page is now live. Without any additional steps, you can begin to measure and test the results of your content. Our pages are automatically fully configured with our proprietary tracking analytics that allow you to literally follow people around and watch their journey. So for the first time ever, your web content is no longer this black box. We combine user analytics and content creation so that anyone on your team can quickly and easily understand how your content is performing. And that's why our customers are able to get to market faster and smarter than their competition. And guys, I want to pause for a second and say that was an actual live demo, not something recorded. Can we give Andrew some love? But there's so much more that we wish we had time to show you. The important thing to remember is that we're a product team. We've built this foundation from scratch, and we've built it to scale. With this solid foundation, we've been testing numerous sales and marketing strategies. We've validated channels that range from personal projects to businesses to agencies. Since launching in March, our user base has been growing organically, and we currently have hundreds of active users. In fact, word has already traveled overseas, and over 20% of those active users are international, making pages in other languages. We've also grown our revenue by over 400% since joining Techstars, and we expect that to double again by the end of the year. And this is because Landing Line is incredibly sticky. To date, we've maintained a 98% retention rate. Learning from this traction, we've decided to focus our initial go-to-market efforts on small marketing teams that either sit internally or externally. We'll reach these markets using two main approaches. The first is through account-based marketing to specific verticals with high contract values, like Amanda from Yancey. The second is through traditional inbound marketing. We're building valuable quality content using our own product and then systematically promoting it through paid and organic channels. Right now, this inbound system is producing a community of evangelists through our freemium self-service model. Our goal is widespread SMB and enterprise adoption, but starting with the individual user and then growing within the organization from the bottom up. You see, we've removed the barrier to adoption by creating a two-axis pricing model as simple as our product. It's based off of features and page views, and here's how it works. When someone signs up, they'll first pick a plan based off the features they need. Our base package allows for 1,000 page views per month for free, but as they build more pages and reach more people, the monthly price will scale along with their total monthly page views and more advanced feature packages. This allows our customers to grow with us, so that way Landing Line can be effective for personal projects and small businesses, but it also means we're not leaving revenue on the table from the large ones. And where do we see this going? Well, there are about 2 million growth-oriented companies located here in the US with less than 500 million in revenue. Most of these are in non-tech sectors and are just now discovering the ROI in digital marketing. And to replicate what Landing Line does, these companies would have to spend at least $5,000 a year in MarTech SaaS subscriptions alone. This means there's easily a $10 billion market, not including the consumer or global market, which we've also validated. The same way companies like MailChimp captured the attention of individual users, consumers, and businesses alike, we plan to make our friendly, user-focused product the new standard for web publishing. But before we close, I need to tell you guys about the amazing people that brought this idea to life. My co-founders, Craig, Hunter, and I, met at Georgia Tech, and we've been building products together for over 5 years. Using nothing but our network and raw passion, we've been able to recruit a talented team of 10 individuals. Now that we have the people, product, and traction, we're putting together a seed round to continue product development and to scale sales and marketing. You see, we've already built an incredibly powerful platform, but this is just the beginning. If you want to learn more about what the future of web content will look like, go to the page that Andrew just made right here in front of you. The link is demoday.landingline.com. My name is Alan, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Landing Line, and thank you guys for coming out.